We're here on the case of State v. Rashad Tyrese Mitchell, case number 20CT277. We have Mr. Mitchell present as well as his attorney, Ms. Armpriester, and we have Ms. Bonilla from the state. All right, we're here for a status this morning. Ms. Armpriester?
Yes, Your Honor. On behalf of Mr. Mitchell, Judge, even though Your Honor did go to great lengths to speak with Judge Bauer out of St. Lucie and Judge Provost also went to great lengths, we did that, I believe, on Monday. Mr. Mitchell was still in custody until Wednesday at midnight, so early Thursday morning. He was able to get out. I've gone over his driver's license issues with him. The holdup are the 2 court suspensions here in Collier County where he just owes a reinstatement fee, which as soon as he's able to do that, he will. And then there's also a D6 holdup on one of the citations for this instant case where I filed a motion. I'm just waiting on hearing time to lift the D6.
So I saw your motion. The problem is, let me look at it again. I see that he's paid the D6 fee in this case. Is that right, Paul?
My understanding was, because I believe they're both $60 reinstatement fees.
It was satisfied on the 29th of January.
So he's already paid the reinstatement fee for this case, so that motion is moot.
Okay. As of this morning, the DMV website is still showing that it's active, so I apologize, but if it's paid, then it's moot. Your Honor, then at this time, Mr. Mitchell just needs some more time to go down to the DMV, pay those reinstatement fees. And he should be able to get a valid license. He does have the obligation to get a new court date out of St. Lucie just because he paid that bond. He still has an active case. Should he get a license, it should satisfy that matter as well. So the defense may have the February pretrial date.
Ms. Bonilla, what's the state's position?
Judge, the state understands that Mr. Mitchell has done his best to obtain his license. So at this time, rather than scheduling it for February, I think it's too short of a time. I would like to ask the court to set this for a pretrial conference in March. This way it'll give the defendant time to fix his license, and should he fix his license, the offer can improve.
Ms. Bonilla, do you know your witness availability for March 1st?
Check that right now. I believe my officer is available, my witness is available March 1st.
Okay. Ms. Armpriester,
Yes.
do you believe that your client can obtain his license by March 1st? That's obviously more time than you've requested.
Yes, Your Honor. Our understanding is it's a matter of about $200 on fees. He's indicated he has that, and it's a matter of getting it taken care of. And he is willing to do that today.
Okay. All right. Well, what I would like to do set this case for a criminal non-jury trial on Monday, March 1st at 1:30. If Mr. Mitchell doesn't have his license, I don't know what the state's going to do if he has his license. I don't know if it's a reduction in plea offer or if it's a null pros or whatever. But we will either resolve the case one way or another March 1st at 1:30. No final continuances. Any questions? All right, so you'll make sure you'll have your witnesses available. Ms. Armpriester, if we're not going to trial, make sure to let Ms. Bonilla know so that she can call off her witnesses.
Yes, Judge, as soon as Mr. Mitchell shows me a copy of his driver's license, Ms. Bonilla will keep the first person.
All right, Mr. Mitchell, do you have any questions for the court? All right. Anything else we can address today then?
I don't believe so, Judge. We appreciate the court's indulgence in helping him this week, and hopefully it will assist him in getting his driver's license.
All right, Ms. Bonilla, anything else from you? All right, that'll